Dear learners, in the last lesson I have shown you how to modify text, add a heading, add a subheading, add a body text. So in this lesson I'll show you how you can modify styles, your intro and outro styles and the scene styles. Let's start. So when you start writing your script from a script video in the storyboard, you can select the template, and this is the template library, and you can see there are several templates. By default, Pictory has given these templates to use in our video, but we can modify each of these templates according to our styles. And the right tab is my templates, and we can use my templates. So I'm showing you when you want to customize your style. First you have to come here, styles, and you can change your templates at the beginning when you start writing your scripts in the storyboard, and later from here. So you can easily change anytime your templates or your style. Here you can see the name of my template is Moonrise, and if you click on this color palette, so you will go to templates library and you can select your templates. So this is in the second stage or later stage, you can change your templates like this. If I click on this one, the lemon, and you see the lemon template has appeared in my styles tab, and you see is the background subtitle is yellow. So within the templates, remember, within the templates you can change your intro style. This is the scene style and this is the outro style. First you have to click on the template, and within the template you have these three types of styles: intro, outro and the scenes. So if you want to modify the templates, for example, if I want to change the font size, I have to click here and click it from 36 to 30 to show a little bit smaller. You can apply this style to your other scenes, like apply to all, or you can save this style, like this font size 30 font. You can save this. Okay, if I change the font to Calibri to show you it has been changed, and I want to save this as a style, and you have to give a name like my lime style and clicking save. So you can see it has been saved to my style. The template name is lemon. So if I go back to the template style, so I have changed the default scene style, I mean the not intro, not outro, the scene style. I can also change the intro style. So these style, I am telling you again, these style are inside the lemon template. So I'm going to intro style again. If intro doesn't appear, you have to click this eye and go back to here. So what I did, I clicked the intro style without going to intro scene. So what happened, this intro style has been applied to my scene within my main video scenes. So be careful. I'm pressing on undo. So to get back my style, I'm clicking on here and clicking my style, my lime style. You can see now it is showing as the previous one. So if you click on the intro style, the intro style will be applied to your video. To change my intro style, I have to click on the intro scene first and click on this I button. So I'm now on intro style. You have to go back to styles, not the branding. So here This is your intro style. I'll only change the font or the intro style. From here, pop-ins I can change to dancing script. Another day, another story will be shown as this, and I'm increasing the font size to 60. So another day, another story has been changed, and I'm changing the text color to yellow. So you see, another day, another story is showing like this. If I give a background color black, now you can see the background color is showing as black, but you can change on your own choice. So if you play this,
Another day, another story.
you can see this is the preview, and you can save your intro style like this. You just select it and save as a style. And you have to give a name, my intro. Save. You will see it has been saved as my intro. So this is my intro as intro style. So this is the intro style, and in a similar way you can make your outro style. Or you see, again I have clicked on outro style without going to outro scene, and it has been changed. And to go to your previous style, I mean the intro style, because I am still on intro, you can click on undo. It has already changed. If I want to change the outro, my outro, so I have to go to the end of the scene and click on the eye and click on the scene again. Again, I have to go from branding to style. I will show the branding in the next class. You have to go to styles and click on here. So this is the same thing here. So if you want to change it, you have to click here and you have to click, for example, I'm changing font size 48, and you can click it here and you can save as a style. So it will be saved as your outro style. So I have shown you intro style, outro style, and the scene styles. So if you click here now, the outro style will be again changed to this format. So you have to click on any scene other than intro or outro, then you can change or modify here. So be careful about this. Which one you want to change, you have to click on that particular scene. If you want to change the intro style, you have to click on the intro. Intro is here. If you want to change the outro style, you have to go to outro first and then click outro scene and then click style. Otherwise, you cannot change these things and make a mistake. So I have shown you what's inside template styles and also my styles. So all your styles are here. And the third one is styles library. In the styles library, you can get many styles to change, like body text. This one, if you select it, your body text will be changed. It depends which one you want to change, whether it is intro, outro, or body scenes. If you want to change the body text, you can use it and then save as your template if you want to save it. There are a lot of already default style. You can use this from this style library. So remember one important thing, you have some limitations based on your subscription. For example, I'm showing my own subscription. As per my own subscription, I can customize and save 3 branded templates. So my limitation is I can modify, customize, and save 3 branded templates. I'm going back to show. I'm going to styles again and clicking on this one to go to template library. And here are my templates. and you can see Moonrise and Corporate. So I have already used two, and I can use another one. The trick is, if you don't like, for example, Moonrise, you just delete, choose another one, and can customize that one. I think you don't need so many templates to use, so you can recycle your templates. I'm showing you one thing. If you want to change the name, library template name cannot be changed. So what you can do, you can just duplicate the template like this, and it will show lemon1. Then you can change lemon, my own lemon. So you can, by this, you can save your own template. And if I go back, you see it has been saved as my lemon, my own lemon. So if I want to make or customize my fourth templates, so I cannot do. So this is very easy. Now you can delete this one and make another one. So it's not a big issue. You don't need so many templates, I think. You can make your videos with 3 templates. So again, to recap, within the templates, you will find the template here, template library, and from here you can choose anyone. So in the template, you will see there are different styles. So you will consider only the styles of the fonts, how they appear in your video, not the background. So you see here, it is coming from the right side, and the font, the subtitle is appearing from the right side with a yellow background. And here it is appearing as wiping. Here it is from the left side, and this is from the middle of the scene. So you should consider only how the subtitles appear in the scene and what is their font size, font color, highlight color, and the background color. So these are the things you have to consider, and not the background scene. The background scene is something different. And here you can see the yellow background, the text is appearing from middle. So these are the different styles you can use in your videos. So when you choose a template, inside the template, you can change your styles, intro, outro, and your scenes. I mean, the main body of your videos. And these are the options: template styles, my styles, and styles library. Within the templates, you have these 3 options, and in the style library, you have different styles. So you can select here and then again save it as your styles and as your templates. So that's all about styles. Thank you.